The Terrestrial Resources Work Group developed surveys for the 41-mile-long transmission line right-of-way. The corridor is 235 feet wide and traverses habitats including shrub steppe, rocky talus slopes, grass, open conifer, riparian, and CRP. Parametrics, an environmental consulting firm located in Bellevue, was contracted to conduct wildlife and botanical surveys designed to fill in current information gaps and for RTE species. The field component of the reptile and mammal surveys were completed in conjunction with bird surveys during 12 seasonal visits.
This morning we're doing avian point count surveys, looking for any birds that might be using habitat around any of these 50 stations along the power line corridor, looking and listening and recording any birds that we see in the area. This is one of our survey markers. We're going to search an area that's in a 35-meter radius around this point, gathering any information about mammals that might be used in the area, reptiles, anything else that we happen to see while we're out here. What we have here is some evidence of northern pocket gophers in the area. During the winter, when they're tunneling beneath the snow, they'll push these cores of dirt up into a tunnel that they dig through the snow, and then when the snow melts, this is left behind. So this is a good sign of the presence of northern pocket gophers in this area.
A helicopter survey for raptor and corvid nests was one component of the transmission line studies.
My name is Ron Tressler. I'm a biologist with Parametrics. We're conducting aerial surveys looking for raptor nests. We're conducting the aerial surveys. We have two biologists on board along with the pilot. We're going between 20 and 40 miles an hour and staying a couple hundred feet above the line, looking for suitable habitat and also examining all the individual towers, as well as in forests and cliffs in the area, looking for any stick nests. And so far we found red-tailed hawk nests, raven nests, and some Swainson's hawk nests in habitats either on or near the transmission line right away.
103 bird species were documented during the transmission line study, including 3 state-listed species. No evidence of use by sage grouse or sharp-tailed grouse was found, despite targeted surveys to detect these species if present. 6 bird mortalities were detected over the course of the study. No signs of collision or electrocution were found. No state or federally listed rare, threatened, or endangered mammals, reptiles, or amphibian species were documented. Information gathered from the transmission line surveys will be useful in the relicensing process for the Wells project.